In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to incorporate diagrams or flowcharts into your documents, you'll know just how beneficial this can be. Now let's dive right in. First things first, start by heading over to Google Docs. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to docs.google.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you are in, open a blank document. This will be our workspace where we'll integrate Lucidchart, so make sure your internet connection is steady to avoid any hiccups along the way. With your blank document open, look towards the top menu of Google Docs. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Extensions. Click on it. This tab is a gateway to customizing your Google Docs experience, allowing you to augment its functionality beyond the default features. Once you're in the Extensions menu, hover over Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. This action opens up a new window that shows you a marketplace of additional features you can add to your document. Now with the add-ons window open, we're going to search for Lucidchart. In the search bar at the top right, type in Lucidchart. Press enter and you should see Lucidchart diagrams pop up in the results. Select it and then click Install. Follow the prompts that might appear, including granting the necessary permissions that allow Lucidchart to function smoothly within your Google Docs. After the installation is complete, it's time to log into your Lucidchart account. Click Login with your Gmail account. By doing this, you're linking Lucidchart with Google, ensuring that your credentials remain secure and that you can access your diagrams with ease. Then simply click Continue when prompted to move forward to the next step. The add-on should now be ready to use, but before we go ahead, you'll need to ensure that it's seamlessly integrated into your document. Head back to the Extensions tab, but this time go to Manage Add-ons. This option will display all the extensions that you've installed, giving you the chance to enable or disable them as needed. And there you have it. Lucidchart is now all set up in your Google Docs. You can insert and edit diagrams directly from this add-on, enhancing your documents visually and making your information much easier to understand. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to comment any questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace. See you in the next video.